Okay, we're going to
Chandler traffic helicopter 1 Delta Delta.
take off in
close 30.
Alpha Electro 197 Alpha Mike today and fly out to the practice area, and I'm going to demonstrate how Pipistrel Alpha Electro goes through a stall practice. So stay tuned. Okay, we've climbed up to 3,300 feet out here at the practice area west of Fresno Chandler Executive Airport, and as you can see, the visibility is okay. We've got about 10 miles, but we're still impacted by smoke. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice or demonstrate actually a power off stall in the Alpha Electro, and we're going to do it first clean with no flaps or no flaperons deployed, and then we'll do it 15 degrees and 25 degrees. We're going to cage the air brake control right here so that when we go to 25 degrees of flaperon, we don't automatically deploy the air brakes as they're set up to do. So we're going to cage that and make sure that that's doesn't deploy on us. And now we're going to pull the throttle back to 0. We're going to watch our airspeed drop off, and we're just going to kind of hold our, we've already done our clearing turns to the right or to the left, so there's no traffic around, and we're just going to let her actually stall. Our airspeed drops off. We're just holding, we're making sure we're keeping the ball centered. Holding, holding, holding. All ought to be about 43 knots.
Chandler traffic, Cessna 714 Kilo X-ray, left face to final runway 30 Chandler.
There's 43, and we're starting to get a little bit of a buffet. 42, and she's starting to buffet a little bit more. And 41, and stick is all the way back, and that's about it. Just some buffet and no wing drop. Recovery is just put the nose down, pick up flying speed, and we'll put in 15 degrees of flaperon and pull her back up. .38, 37, 36, 35, still some buffet, a little bit of buffet. 38, you can see the indicator turns red, telling you you're stalling, which is kind of cool. And put the nose down, pick up speed, and we'll pull in 25 degrees and see if we can get it even lower. That's 33. And she's just kind of mushing there. And bobbing up and down. And that's it. That's all she's going to do. And we just put the nose down. We haven't added any power. And now we'll come in with the power. And we've got 15 degrees of flaperon deployed. We'll pull her back up to power for climb, about 30 kilowatts. And we're climbing away, 53, 54 knots. Pull out the flaperons. And there we go. So we did basically 3 stalls.
Attention Hollister traffic,
power off stalls, and we didn't lose.
feet and below.
We only lost about 700
final
feet.
to runway 31 at Hollister
Pretty
over.
impressive.
KMS intersection.
So now we've climbed back up to almost 3,500 feet, and we're going to demonstrate a takeoff and departure stall. We're keeping the flaps removed, and we're going to set our power at about 40 kilowatts like we're in a standard climb and see how she behaves. So here we go. We're starting at 62 knots. We're going to take her up to 40 kilowatts, and we're just going to pull her up. This should be pretty dramatic. 40 kilowatts. There she says we're stalling. And that's it. Put the nose down, we felt a little burble, and we're back to flying again. Kind of a nothing burger. As long as you keep the ball centered, you don't have to be concerned about dropping a wing. All right, we're heading home.
Runway 30, Chandler.
Okay, now I'm gonna record our landing. We're descending out of about 1,900 feet, about 1.5 miles from the airport. We got one of our students training in our Cessna 150 off here, taking off on doing a touch and go. And he is off my left wing, so no issue. Make my downwind turn. Chandler traffic, Alpha Electro 197 Alpha Mike, turning left downwind for landing 30 Chandler, full stop. And we're coming up on our pattern altitude, just about a beam of the tower, which is where I wanted to be. And we're gonna set our trim a little nose up.
So there's traffic, experimental 447 Whiskey Papa, currently 9 miles to your west, requesting airport advisories, please, cover.
And we put in a notch of flapper on, and we're gonna get ourselves set up here for about a 58 knot approach speed. Somewhere in that range, 55 to 58. And we're beaming the numbers right now. Coming down. Throttle is at 0. All right, we're going to start our left base turn. Chandler traffic, Alpha Electro 197 Alpha Mike, left base to final runway 30 Chandler, full stop.
Chandler traffic 714 Kilo X-ray, left downwind, runway 30 Chandler.
And we're going to...
500.
Yeah, there's Lola telling me I'm 500 feet above the ground. And we're coming around here to line up on final, and I may have to use the spoilers to get us down, but maybe not. Actually, no. We're going to have to come in with a little bit of power. A little bit. Yeah, let's deploy the spoilers. There we go. Kind of a blustery day. Take them out. There we go. Yeah, I got 2 landings in there. Going to slow down. Nice. All right, that's all, folks.